That's him. Looks like we got him right in the head. Saturday night. We missed a coon last night, so I was out tonight getting them. And picked off a mouse. And got it right in the back. Oop. Bulged out the other side. I mean, it wasn't very far. It was probably only a 20-yard shot. I guess it was a little farther than that. That's the... Again, I'm shooting the Benjamin Armada using the ATN thermal to find them in the Zulus scope to get them, and we pinged them. Tell you what, we'll make this, I'll speed this up so that you don't have to watch the whole thing, but we'll bring him to the stump. Over the bridge and to the stump. And by the way, nobody told me to comment about the batteries, but I did them. Well, I thought that was going to be it, but I'm over there. I think it was 32 yards. Took me a while to find them, but boy, with this brown leaves, you just have a hard time finding them. But this guy here, where'd he go? Hang on a second. There he is. That's him. Looks like we got him right in the head. So we weren't far from our stump, so we will put him there, and that will be for sure it for the night. So I think this is 4 now. Go with your other buddy there. All right, guys. Again, if you like them, subscribe. Thanks for showing up.